I don't feel it. See, I don't know what I'm looking
Choose-
for.
choose
I thought I was
turn.
doing what you were doing. I don't know what I'm looking for. See, I don't feel anything. I'm gonna probably see it too.
Yeah, but he
He would
just
get $1,000 if he find it. He know how to find it. I ain't feel
but-
nothing. You feel it?
this one. This is the small nut, but it don't.
Whoever made this needs to.
Right. I need to make
Whoever made this they need to make another one.
Come on, Dara.
Let me see.
Go ahead.
Let me see if I can.
Go ahead. Take that snap ring out.
I'm feeling great. Where is the ring?
That part there.
Right here?
Mm-hmm.
It's not, nothing's moving with this, so I don't see it.
It's tight.
Oh,
I don't see it.
Do it. Do it.
I need a
Dara.
light. I'm trying to find the ring. I don't even see the ring. I don't feel the ring. This is a ring, but it's supposed to be something in.
They get a really tiny
Is that
one.
it right here? Let's see. See, nothing's moving. I don't see how he.
Put it.
I don't see how he moved it.
Come on.
you all can do it.
It's got to be in there because he said it's in there. You feel it?
This one. Yeah, this one.
You do feel it.
Yeah.
I ain't feel nothing.
But the only thing is, this one is too.
Oh, go ahead. Do
I
it.
got it. See?
Look, she said she
You
got
got it?
No.
I don't see it. Can we get it from the other side?
it. No, there's no getting it from the other side.
Oh. There we go.
You oh!
Got it.
So you know what you did? You went that way. We were squeezing. Oh, let me see that thing. That thing. Can you get it out?
Yeah.
I want the spring that came out of there. I want to beat it up.
Brother, that's what I want to do now after this.
Take that bad boy, squish it up. Who manufactured that? There it is. Can I just grab it?
Yeah. Get it.
This is the ring that gave us so much problem.
Yeah. They need to.
This is what I'm gonna do with it. But look,
Change
then I can
it.
find it.
What's this?
Oh,
A
this is
string.
hair.
No, the ring holds this in. It goes
It goes
around
right here, right?
because that clutch there in the back moves forward,
Well, we can't
and
see
then the
it.
ring, and then this spring pushes it back when it's not working anymore. So it moves against this. The pressure makes it move against that.
See that?
And
Okay.
this little thing causes
That,
so much
ring
problem.
keeps this in, so this doesn't pop out.
Oh,
Okay.
well, I guess
so
it
now
does have a purpose.
I told.
I can't see it. There's no
strong.
light in there. You need to turn your light on. I can't see it. Okay.
Now when she blow that out, like I told her to blow it out, then it'll come out.
Yep. I'm blowing it now.
Okay, how she? What's supposed to come out?
She'll see.
That's what.
I can use this and make a hair with it. Looks like hair. Put
Like-
some
like,
eyes on here.
Yeah.
Put some eyes on the transmission part. Oh boy, I'm telling you.
Watch. I'm gonna put
There's
some
definitely
eyes.
women inside here trying to deal something. They start wanting to put eyes
It'll
on.
be like a curly curl.
Yeah, look like
They
curly
want to put
curl.
eyes on top
I'ma
of
put a
transmission
mouth
parts.
right here.
See what happens when women are inside the shop?
Curly curl.
We make it interesting.
Right.
Let me see what you're doing.
Want to put eyes on there.
What you blowing at?
That's what. I wanna blow up the watts.
I got glass.
I told you. Okay, go ahead, blow.
Hold on.
Okay, that's it. There's
What
nothing
was
else
that
we're gonna
she
do.
blew out?
That's the piston.
This one?
Okay, it didn't come out because she played with it. Too late now. It came out as far. So now,
So what she gotta do?
lift this up. That should be not heavy. Lift it up and slam it again. Just lift it up. Slam it, yeah. Okay.
That was in there?
Okay.
This is what?
See those little things? This goes on here. See, like you see when she blew through here,
Which one she blow
she
through?
blew through this hole. Actually, oil comes through here and then move this forward. Like it went forward, let's deal with this. Oil went through this. This is what happens in the car. Oil goes in there and it moves this forward.
Okay.
That snap ring you had holds this spring in. So when this moves forward, it can only go so far. After the oil stops, it releases, and this spring here pushes it back in place. So since there was no spring in there, when she blew in that, it came straight out.
Gotcha.
No spring and no snap ring.
Hair. This is ingenious.
Yeah.
Auto spring.
It's a lot.
And it's amazing how you just take this hole and blow it.
Well, oil actually does that.
Oil goes only in this hole?
No, it goes in that hole when it's applying this piston.
Oh, but oil goes all in all these holes.
Yeah, that's a channel. They go through all, but they go at certain times.
So
Like
it's
when you're
just
going
like
first
our
or first,
blood
second,
diesel.
third.
Yeah, it look like a maze.
Yeah.
You can just, you know how you do the mazes, but you can't come out. No way you can come out. You know, some mazes you can come out and get to their end, but these are, you can't come out. Interesting. I want this for hair.
Yeah. That's what I'm using for cooking.
Oh, you gonna use that for cooking?
I have really like it.
Oh, really? And you put like a thing.
See that? The women are talking about using transmission parts for cooking
Fire
and everything
here?
else.
Yeah, and put
a
a pot here.
pot here. Yeah.
Great idea.
Smart.
Great idea. You got one already? Oh, and it works.
When I go to Philippines, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna take a pictures and show you.
Oh, you gonna take a
I
picture
think
to the
already.
Philippines.
I already in the box.
Oh, one of
Here it
these?
is.
That's a great idea.
So far we done 3.
We done?